Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Shrink a picture in Adobe Photoshop. Open your image in Adobe Photoshop. This is one of the most popular programs for editing images and also one of the most powerful. Resizing a picture can be done in a few simple steps. Choose the measurement you want to use to resize your image. In the menu that appears, you will see two boxes that read width and height. Next to these boxes are drop-down menus that let you pick the units you are specifying. You can resize a picture by pixels, inches or centimeters, or percentage. If you don't have a specific size in mind, choose the percentage option. Specify the desired size of your image. After choosing percentage, type in a number less than 100 in the width and height boxes to shrink the picture. For example, typing 50 will make your image 50% as big as it was before. Click the OK button. Save the image. Click on File from the toolbar and then click Save. Shrink a picture in Google's Picassus. Google's Picassus. Google's Picassus. Open your image in Picasa. Picasa is an image editing program produced by Google, and it is available as a free download. If you don't have any image editing software installed on your computer, consider downloading Picasa. Resizing an image can be done in a few steps. Select the folder where you want to save the new, resized picture. Click on the Browse button on the Export menu and select the folder where you want the image to be saved. Shrink a picture in Microsoft Office 2003. Choose the image's desired size in the menu that appears. Specify the new width and height of the image in pixels, and then click OK to resize the picture. If you don't like the results, you can always use the Undo feature. Save the image. Click on File from the toolbar and click Save from the menu that appears. Shrink a picture in MS Paint. Open the picture in MS Paint. Click Resize and Skew. In the Resize section, choose either percentage or pixel. Give your desired size. Click Save. The image will now be resized to the level you chose.